In number 7, we're given the equation of a line, x plus y equals -4, and we're supposed to write the equation of a line that is perpendicular to x plus y equals -4 and goes through the point 3, -6. So I'm given a point. I don't yet have the slope. So I want to use point slope form to write this perpendicular line. But in order to do that, I'm going to need to do something with my standard form equation to make it into point slope intercept. That way I can find out what the slope of this line is. So to do that, let's see, let me subtract x from both sides. That way I'm left with y equals -x minus 4. And remember that this can be written as -1 times x, right? There's an invisible 1 there. Now, with perpendicular lines, the product of the slopes is equal to -1. So the product of the equation I'm trying to find, the slope of the equation I'm trying to find, times the slope of the other line, those two slopes multiplied together should equal -1. So I have -1 on my first equation. I'm trying to find out the slope of my second equation, and I've set that product up here. Well, m has to be equal to 1 because 1 times -1 equals -1. So my slope here is 1. And I can fill in for my point. x1 is 3, and y1 is -6. So simplifying, I have y plus 6 equals 1 times x minus 3, or I could write it as y plus 6 equals x minus 3. Let's go and see if this equation is truly, y plus 6 equals x minus 3. Yeah. So the equation I came up with, y plus 6 equals x minus 3, is perpendicular to the purple line, and it goes through the point 3, -6. So this green line, the line that I just wrote, is perpendicular to the purple line, and the green line goes through the point that's given.